Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to use and connect Tradelle with Shopify right here. So if you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. So first thing you need to do is you can actually just scroll down on the left sidebar right here, and then from in there you should be able to see the apps. So from in there, just head over and click on the apps. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the search bar. So in here, let's try to search in here for Tradelle. Under this Tradelle, just click on this search Tradelle in Shopify App Store. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of search results right here, but you can see that there is no Tradelle. So what do we do in these situations? So what I recommend you to do is to just head over to another dashboard and then search in here for Tradelle. So once you have searched in here for Tradelle, you should be able to see this Tradelle.io. So for me, I already head over to this site and I already tried to sign up or log in. So if you don't have an account yet, just head over and register, and you should be able to be greeted with a free trial that are limited to 50 products that you can actually just use to your trades. So for me, I have this product picks right here. So these are hand-picked products that I can actually add on my Shopify. So before we head over and add any products, let's first head over to this tab right here, which is the fulfillment tab. So click on this one, and then it will show you this fulfillment. So you can see in here that you can actually just click on this button right here that says connect to Shopify. So head over and click on this connect Shopify button, and then this will load like this. And then you can actually connect a store by clicking on this connect store right there. So click on that, and in here, as you can see, you need to upgrade to have full access. So if you have an upgraded account on Tradelle, then you should be able to actually connect your Shopify with this Tradelle right here. Since I'm still on the free trial, I can actually connect it, but if you already subscribed, then you should head over and then upgrade your account and connect your Shopify through there. It's really easy once you already log into both accounts. So now that we have done that, let's head over now to the product picks. So under this product picks right here, we have here a limit of 50 products that we can add to our shop. So for example, right here, you can see that they have these products that are locked. You can see that these are latest products. They are actually unlocked or locked itself. And those highly profitable products are also locked. And you can see in here also some products that have picture and they have cost and price right here. And when you see something like this, it means that you can actually add this to your store. So what we can do is we can actually just click on this product right here, and then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the product page for this. As you can see, you can see this title for the specific product, and in here you can see the description for that. You can actually just edit its description right here if you want to actually rephrase it and use it to your own store. In that way, they won't be able to see where you will be able to find it. So in here, when you scroll down, you should be able to see the product cost. So this product actually costs $17.62, and the selling price for this is around $64.99, and you have a profit per sale of $47. If you actually sell one of this, then you already have around $47. So in here, you can see in here is 3 buttons like this: go to AliExpress, Facebook ads, and Amazon. So let's try to click on one of them. Let's click on this go to AliExpress. So when you click on that, you should be able to be redirected to the AliExpress wherein you can see the specific item. So in here, you can see the item for that. So you can see right here that they have this product for around 48.29 Korean won. So let's try to see how much that actually costs. So let's copy this right here. And then let's head over to a new tab and let's try to actually convert it to US dollars. So when you try to convert it, it actually is around this specific thing. As you can see, it only costs 4.69 US dollars. So we can see that is actually really cheap in AliExpress than on the actual Tradelle dashboard that they recommend. But in here, you can also see in here that you can find the supplier for Amazon. So when we try to click on Amazon right here, it will direct us to the same page that has the same product. So as you can see, the products on Amazon are quite on the higher scale. They're around $99 and they're not really that good. As you can see right here, this looks not really good. So I recommend you to actually use Tradelle integrated with AliExpress right here. So if you try to head over to Facebook ads, it will actually just redirect you to the ones that can help you promote your product. So in here, we have here the fourth option wherein you can find the best supplier. So you can have here the supplier list, like for example, AliExpress, Alibaba, Global Sources, DHgate, and all of these things right here, like DH Dropshipping. So this CJ Dropshipping is actually really popular in Shopify. So if you don't want to use Tradelle, then you can use that as well. So when you try to scroll on this page, they also have a fulfillment with Tradelle, which has this product cost for this specific model. So if you want a black red, it will cost like this, and the shipping cost, you can also calculate it from here. So for example, for me, I'll be buying it from the Philippines. So the shipping cost right here is around $9.79, and this is the product cost that they have, and this is the total price. So for example, let's head over and click on this import to Shopify right here. Now, if you already connected to the store, it will be redirected to the Shopify that you have, and you should be able to add this to your products. So you can head over in here to your products right here, and you should be able to see it on here. So let's head back again to our Tradelle. So they also have your product demand and saturation for this, and you need to actually study this in order to see if this product is actually worth it in order to add to your store. So let's head back again to our product picks, and when we scroll down, we should be able to see a lot more products that we can actually add. So this one has this potential, so you can actually just edit out or open out some things, like for example, let's open this car makeup mirror. And if you see the demand for this product is high, as you can see, it goes up and it goes down. If you see that it actually has a lot of demand, then you can actually just head over and then add this to your store by importing it to your Shopify. So the next thing we can actually see is we can head over in here to our subscription. So I already said earlier that you need to be able to be integrated to your Shopify. You need to have a premium account. So as you can see right here, I am on the actual premium trial. So if you want to actually use or upgrade your plan, head over and click on this upgrade plan right here. So click on this upgrade plan, and then it will open in here a new tab wherein you can see the actual pricing that they have in here. So click on view plans in here, and you can see the 1 month plan is around $30, the 1 year plan is around $20, and the lifetime plan is around $479. So this 1 month plan, if you actually sold one Spider-Man, it's already been accounted for since you have $47 saved up once you have sold one of them. So it's already been good for a 1 month plan. So head over and just click on this one, and then enter in here your card details, and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.